All right. So today I will be cleaning my carpet. Yes, and it's Noah here again. Sorry I didn't say it first. And so today I'm going to be cleaning my carpet with my Hoover SmartWash that I got at Home Depot last year. Hoover SmartWash Plus, because it's red. And the other one is blue. The original SmartWash is blue. And so I just vacuumed it with my Hoover Wind Tunnel Self-Propelled, my 2001. The one that's green. Yes, and I did not want to move. I moved mostly the furniture, most of my furniture. I mean, not most of it, but my desk, my TV, my Wii, my GoPro, and my Roku, and my 2 IKEA shelves, and my desk with the labyrinth on top of it. So I'm gonna be cleaning my carpet. I will get to my stairs eventually because those are dirty as hell, I'll tell you that. Oh, here's the lab for you. Yes. And my Brunswick Zone bowling pin. So I moved my bedside table out of here. But we're going to get going with the Hoover SmartWash. Let me get my earphones on. All right, let's get to it. Okay, the float rised accidentally because I pulled the machine up. But now we're gonna go ahead and clean the. We're gonna go ahead and back it up. I'm used to vacuuming. I'm trying to work my way back, so we're gonna back it up. Here we go. As you move forward, it sprays the solution out onto the carpet. No trigger needed. And then when you pull it back, sucks up the dirty water, it stops spraying, and it vacuums it up. There's also a controlling setting. That's why I always said right here, they turn on and then it'll stay on dry. That's all it is. Let's pull forward and pull back. What do you all think? So I'm gonna do the rest, but I don't want to video it because there's a lot of storage. There's not very much storage on my phone, and so I'm gonna stop it here. So thank you all again for watching the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please subscribe for more.